Is the chair not working for you as a step stool? You gotta reposition it? Okay. Oh, did you fall?
31%.
Well, I'm so glad Aunt Lori gave you the stepping stool.
Coming to see Daddy?
I voted for Bernie. I voted for Bernie.
Come on, don't stop now.
What are you doing up here? What? No, no. Hey. This is our safety zone. The table is what you can't have. Careful, don't choke yourself. How'd you get up here? Good job putting that back. No, no. You have to sit on your bottom. Sit down, Audrey. Oh, all gone. Oh, sit down.